Alright, so it's that time in the morning. Look at the snow. First snow of the year. Well, today we're going to do basement carpet job over wood. So let's do this. Got it in fast motion for you guys to start. We're just going to start laying the smooth edge down around the perimeter. Nice and quick for you guys. We'll run through this whole vid and we'll talk about what we're doing and how we're doing it. Putting a runner on those stairs, so we want to be nice and tight with our smooth edge. Getting the metals in over the vinyl. Rolling out the 10 mil gold underpad. Robbie Boy's going to give it a slice, put it in slow motion for you guys, nice and cinematic. Just prepping the underpad here. It's a pretty big piece of carpet. This was almost a 30-foot piece. We had to bring everything in to keep it warm. Stapling it down. Now we're going to roll this puppy out. Give it a spin, unroll it, watch the walls. Fast motion for you guys. We're just going to get it into place. Make the release cuts around the stair. Don't cut through. Some nice tight release cuts there. Getting the seam prepared. I like to straight edge this pile. So I get that straight edge on there, straight edge that down. Run the seaming tape. Inch, cut it 19 inch, an extra inch to play with. So get this seam kind of prepared and set up. Now if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section. And if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. That'd be awesome. We've been getting a lot of great comments lately. So if there's any videos that you want to see, please let me know. And just put it down in the comments. Any tools that you want to know about, getting rid of that excess. Now we're going to get down to the seam and do that cross seam. This is tough with pile. This is a 55 ounce. It's really thick and it's really easy to push down and cause a V. So I find this particular, you have to be very delicate with this stuff. Get the seamer down on there, dry it up. Probably just getting the stairs set up. This is a left-handed turn runner, so meaning that they go up straight and then the landing turns 90 degrees to the left. Getting the brand new stretcher in here. This thing's amazing. A lot of power compared to the old one. I wore the old one out for about 10 years. This one has got lots of pressure, lots of push. Love it. I'm gonna do a upcoming video on this kneeless stretcher. This stretcher is made in Canada. It's amazing. It's about 380 bucks Canadian. Don't quote me on that. But Pete from Kneeless says if you say, you know, Keith sent me, he'll give you a deal on one of those stretchers. Just getting that nice and tight around where the runner's going to go, not cutting through too far because you do not want to cut that wood. Rob's just cutting the metal. Now he's going to bang it down with the mallet. Now I'm starting the runner. This is a 28-inch runner. And we did wrap the nose with the pad. And then what I noticed is why I don't wrap the nose with the pad is because, yes, it's better wear for the carpet, but it really sticks out. You can see it leaves a little bit of a gap there on the end. You see where my finger is? It's a little gap, and I don't like that gap. It looks unfinished. So I'm going to go back to my original method, and I'm not going to, whenever I do a stair runner, I'm not going to wrap the edge. Now I wrap it a little bit, about a 1/4 inch, and I pop a bunch of pad staples in the full length to try to keep it from curling up. But I do like my method with no pad. The pad really pushes out on that. Just measuring, keeping it straight, giving it a stretch. See that gap? See my finger go in that gap? So we have to actually staple that gap now. And that's a lot of reason why I don't put pad over the edge on a stair runner. I just don't like the look. And when it comes down to it, it's all about the look. See, you didn't see the gap there, but I did pop a staple in there. Score it, kick it. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see the finished result. And then make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. And like the video. I mean, it helps the channel. Helps the channel grow, get the message out. This is what I do every day. I could put out a video every day. We are so busy during this Corona thing. We've always been busy, but people are staying at home and they want to fix up their houses. Alright, we're just coming up to the landing now. You guys get a chance to see the left-hand turn landing that I pre-made. Right, I'm going to cut that tab off there, start another little piece, and get ready for this left turn landing. So here we are, pad's already set up. Now I made this landing in one piece. Okay, sometimes I make it go up a little bit. So it's 28 on the bottom and 28 at the top. The secret to this is setting it up so it lines up on the bottom and it lines up on the top. And there's the finished product. That was a little quick, but save you guys time, not having to watch, you know, every little move. Those are vacuum marks. Some people love those vacuum marks. Some people hate them. Some people feel that vacuum marks mean it's clean. There's a finish going up. Side view. There's actually quite a bit here. If you guys stick around to watch, you get a whole bunch of different views. You'll get some views on the landing. And again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you thinking about being a carpet installer? Are you thinking about putting in runners? It's really good money in putting in runners. And once you get the hang of it, it's not that hard.